Today I am reviewing the FreAire HAP607 Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The FreAire HAP607 Air Purifier is a high-performance solution for anyone looking to dramatically improve the air quality in their home, office, or large living space. Designed for large rooms up to 2,600 square feet, this air purifier is packed with features that make it a standout choice for families, pet owners, and anyone sensitive to dust, smoke, or allergens. One of the most impressive aspects of this air purifier is its triple intake system, which includes a front air inlet and dual side air inlets. This design maximizes airflow, accelerates circulation, and ensures faster and more thorough purification. Paired with a high-efficiency HEPA filter, the FreAire HAP607 captures up to 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, pet hair, smoke, and household odors. Whether you have pets, live in a busy city, or simply want a healthier home environment, this air purifier delivers exceptional coverage and performance. The unit features an advanced PM2.5 sensor and real-time air quality display, keeping you informed about the air you breathe. In auto mode, it intelligently adjusts the fan speed based on detected air quality, providing powerful purification when needed and conserving energy when the air is already clean. This ensures your home remains fresh and healthy without constant manual adjustments. Maintenance is also straightforward. Unlike typical washable pre-filters that can deform, the FreAire HAP607 features a sturdy, grid-structured pre-filter frame that supports long-term use. You can easily rinse or vacuum the filter to maintain peak performance, which extends the life of the HEPA filter, saves money, and reduces environmental waste. Flexibility is key with this model. The purifier offers 4 adjustable fan speeds: low, medium, high, and turbo, so you can control airflow according to your needs. Additionally, the 2, 4, 6, or 8-hour timer allows you to run the purifier while sleeping, working, or away from home without worrying about energy waste. Speaking of sleep, the 22 dB sleep mode ensures ultra-quiet operation, making it perfect for bedrooms or nurseries. You can rest peacefully knowing that clean air is circulating quietly throughout the night, and wake up refreshed in a healthy environment. For convenience, the HAP607 includes a filter replacement reminder light, alerting you when it's time to replace the HEPA filter. Using official FreAire replacement filters ensures optimal performance and long-lasting filtration. FreAire's filters are crafted with precision and durable materials, ensuring the purifier continues to perform at its best without compromise. Finally, this air purifier comes with trusted certifications, including ETL, FCC, EPA, CARB, and DOE approvals. FreAire provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty, and lifetime tech support, giving you peace of mind that your investment is backed by reliable service and support. In summary, the FreAire HAP607 Air Purifier is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly solution for large spaces. Its triple intake system, high-efficiency HEPA filtration, real-time air quality display, flexible fan speeds, ultra-quiet sleep mode, and durable washable filters make it a must-have for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality, remove allergens, or simply enjoy fresh, clean air at home. Whether you have pets, allergies, or just care about the air you breathe, the FreAire HAP607 delivers unmatched performance, convenience, and peace of mind.